Hi, and welcome to another Task app video. What do we do if something happens to our phone and we lose all of our data? I'm Steve, and today I'll show you how to use the backup and restore features of Tasks. If you find these videos useful, please like and subscribe so that you don't miss future videos. Right, let's restore some data. Tasks is a privacy-focused app. Therefore, all task data is encrypted everywhere. This keeps your data safe from other apps that may try to steal your data. Secondly, unlike big tech companies, I believe in your complete privacy. Therefore, Task does not take your data without permission. Unfortunately these days, as the saying goes, if you're not paying for the product, you are the product. If you're a Task Premium member, thank you. This includes automatic secure cloud backup. This means if anything happens to your device, you can pick up where you left off simply by logging in on your new device. Note, there are many other benefits to the Task Premium membership, but I'll go through these in a future video. On my phone, I have all my important lists, tasks, and appointments, etc. Now imagine something happens to your phone, or you're lucky enough to get a new one. As a premium member, how do we restore our data? I'll wipe my phone and install Tasks to show you. To get all my important data back, I simply open the main menu and click Upgrade to Premium. Then, click Continue and sign in using your Google account used to create your account originally. Tasks will realise you already have a valid account, and so you can just click Continue. Then, click Sync Now and wait for the process to complete. The initial sync time will vary depending upon the amount of data you have and the data connection speed, but be patient. When done, Task will let you know everything has been successful, so click Close. Now I have all my lists, tasks, etc. back and I can get on with my day. I realise not everyone can afford to have the convenience of a premium account, or some users simply like to have control over their backups and use their own cloud storage solution. For these reasons, Tasks also includes a local backup and restore feature. To use it, open the main menu and tap Settings. Then, scroll to the bottom and click Backup. You'll be asked for permission to allow Tasks to write to your device. This is required to save the backup file. Note, this is a generic Android dialog and Task does not access your photos, etc. By default, Task will try to save the backup file to your downloads directory, but you're free to choose any location. When you're happy, click the Save button, bottom right, and we've now saved our data. To see this file, open Android Files app. You can then send it to yourself via email or save it to your cloud storage of choice. It's just a file, so you're in control. But please ensure this file is backed up, so if anything happens to your phone, you can restore your data. You're free to make as many backup files as you wish. Now, I'll wipe my phone again and install Tasks. To get my data back, I open the main menu and click Settings. Then scroll to the bottom again and click Restore. Then allow Task access to read files, and then choose your backup file. Again, by default, Task will open the downloads directory. If I go back to the main list view, I see all of my data, and once again, I can get on with my day. Note, restoring a backup file requires either a one-time donation or a premium account, so you only need to help support my app if you need to restore your data. That's about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If it was helpful, please like and subscribe to help my channel and to support my work. It's very much appreciated. Finally, if you need any help with anything in Tasks or have suggestions for improvements, just send me an email, details in the video description below, or leave a comment and I'll do my best to reply.